Hello everyone. Today let's see how to insert sparklines in Excel. I created a sample Excel sheet. Let me open that. Just a moment. I've created a sample toy sales data and I've represented the estimated and actual sales using sparklines as you can see here. I'll come back to this later. But first let's understand what is sparkline. Let me give some numbers here. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now let's represent these numbers using sparkline. Click insert and click this line. Sparklines are nothing but mini charts. So in data range, you select the row of data, so which you want to represent as sparkline, and in location range, you select the location where you want to place the sparkline and click OK. So this is your sparkline, and this is how we insert sparkline in Excel. Now let's modify some numbers and see how this affects the sparkline. Now let's say I modify number 30 to 15. And you can see there is a dynamic change in the spark line. And let's modify some other number. Let's say change from 40 to 35. Change this number and let's change this, and you can see the spark line goes down. And let's change this number to 70 and the spark line goes up. Okay, now let's go to the next row. Let me put some other numbers. Let's say 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now go to insert and select column sparkline, and let's repeat the same process. There's no change in the process. Select the row of data and in location, select the location where you want to place the sparkline and click OK. This is column sparkline. Now let's click insert again. Insert, and there's another sparkline, win and loss. So let's insert win and loss sparkline. Now let's give a new row of numbers. Let's say 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5 and minus 10, and see how the win-loss sparkline looks. So click on win-loss sparkline and select the data and select the location and click OK. So this is win-loss sparkline. Now let's modify some numbers here. Let's change minus 5 as 10, and you can see there's a change in the sparkline. So as you modify the numbers, there's a dynamic changes in the sparkline. So this is how we insert line, column, and win-loss sparklines in Excel. And also there's other attributes like there's high point, low point, and also you can change the color of the high point, low point, and as you change the colors, you can see there's effect on the sparkline. So let me select this sparkline, and also you can show the axis. So you can see there's an axis over here. So let me select this again and change this to line sparkline. So all the sparklines are changed to line sparkline. Let me reselect that again and click on column sparkline, and then let's reselect them and click on win loss. And we can also change the style of the sparkline. Let me select the first sparkline, and you can see there are different styles. You can select that, and there's a immediate effect on the sparkline. So if you want to clear the spark lines, select all the spark lines, and there's option here, clear spark lines, and select that, and all the spark lines will be cleared. Okay, now let me modify this. Let me give a title like spark line, and now let me select all the three rows, and let's put a spark line together for all the three rows. So you can see the data range for all the three rows, and location range, you select where you want to put the spark line. So I'm selecting these three rows and click OK, and you can see the spark line has appeared for all the three rows based on the data. Coming back to this toy sales data, here I represent the estimated and actual sales using the spark line. You can see here. Now let me highlight the spark line, select the spark line, and let me change this spark line to column spark line, and let me reselect this again and change it to win loss spark line. Now let me go to the other tab, other sheet, and here also you can see the spark line. It shows the trend of estimated and actual sales. So this is how we insert spark lines in Excel. Hope you like this. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.